And Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Irdina Shafia binti Abdul Razak and my matric number is 14DTK22F1018.
Hi, my name is Nur Adrina Natasha binti Nur Hazali and my matric number is 14DTK22F1052.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Azim Azhar. My number matrix is F1049.
My name is Nur Ali Sadim Azlan. My matrix number is F1031.
Me and my group will explain about technique of integration, which is volume. Volume of revolution is divided by two, first x-axis and y-axis. I'm going to explain first. Volume of revolution of x-axis. The volume of the solid regenerated when the region which is enclosed by the curve y equal to fx, the x-axis, and the straight lines x equal to a and x equal to b. As shown in figure is removed through 360 above x-axis is given by. So as you can see, this is the figure that I mentioned before. To find the volume. Volume is equal to pi integral a to b fx square dx. So this is the few steps that you can use to calculate the volume. Step 1. Sketch the side view of the revolved region. So you can sketch like a figure above. Step 2. Find the volume of a representative disk. You can find the volume using volume formula like I mentioned before, which is pi integral a to b fx squared. And then evaluate the integral and compute the volume of the solid, and don't forget to write the unit and you're done. That is all from me, so I'm gonna pass my turn to Adlina to explain about y-axis. So yeah, bye bye.
The volume of the solid regenerated when the region which is enclosed by the curve x equal to fy, the y-axis and the straight lines y equal to a, y equal to b, as shown in figure is revolved through 360 degree. About y-axis is given by, as you can see on the figure, y equal to 1 and y equal to b. Okay, so we jump to the step. I'll explain it generally without solving it, and the complete explanation will be explanator. Okay, first, rearrange the equation to make x as the subject from y equal to square root of x minus 1, and it will get x equal to y power of 2 plus 1. Next, use the equation given with a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and x equal to y power by 2 plus 1 as shown next. Okay, next, simplify the integrand. Integrate each term separately, and next, substitute the limits, and last, simplify the resulting answer and write it as an exact fraction in terms of pi as shown next.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Azim bin Azham. My matrix number is F1049, and I am going to explain to you about how to solve y-axis question. Okay, first we take a look at the graph. The info on the graph is y equal to x squared plus 1, and on the x-axis, x1 is 1 and for x2 is 3. To solve this, first we must look at the formula for x-axis. x2 will be 3 and x1 will be 1. For fx, we will put x squared plus 1, and we will move pi to the in front of the equation. The next steps will be to expand the equation to get rid of the square outside of the bracket in the equation. The new equation will be x the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. After that, we will integrate the equation to get rid of dx, and the new equation will be x power of 5 over 5 plus x plus 2x cubed over 3 plus x, and move the limit to the right of the bracket, 3 and 1, as shown in the slide. The next step we will substitute the limit. For the first bracket, it will be 3 power of 5 over 5 plus 2 times 3 cubed over 3 plus 3. And for the second bracket, it will be 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3 plus 1. And we will solve this equation using calculator. And the result will be 1016 over 5 pi, and the result will be 1016 over 15 pi unit cube. I will pass this presentation to Adik to explain to you about y-axis question.
Thank you, Hazim, for your explanation about how to solve volume of revolution x-axis. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to solve volume of revolution but in y-axis. But before that, my name is Nur Adil bin Azlan. My matrix number is F1031, and I'm gonna show you guys how to solve this question. So can we see in the slide, which is we got y values, which is the region bounded by the graph is y equal to x squared, y equal to 0, and y equal to 6. So to solve this question, we must look at the formula for y-axis. Y squared will be 6 and y1 will be 0. For fy, we will put set y and we will move to pi in front of the equation. So the next step, which is we will expand the equation to get rid of square outside of the equation. So the new equation will be y only, because it has been square root and have square power of square. So the next is we will substitute the limit for the first bracket, which is 6. We need to switch y to 6, and the second bracket we need to switch y over to 0, and we will got 6 square over 2 minus 0. So lastly, we will solve this equation by using calculator. We need to insert 6 square over 2 minus 0, and we will get 18. So the last answer we will get is 18 pi unit cube. So that is it from our team. Thank you.